Alrighty then, so this is section 1.4, exercise 16, and actually, since this is past tense, we had done 15 in class, but let me do 16 for posterity. And this is, if I am reading it correctly, it's a very small thing there. This is from the right, so this is the limit as delta x goes to 0 from the right of x plus delta x squared plus x plus delta x minus x squared plus x over delta x. And in this case, the problem is we head to 0. If I try to do direct substitution, I would get x squared here in this term, and I would get x in this second part in the middle here, and so I would have x squared plus x and then minus here the x squared plus x. So I'd get 0 on the top, I get 0 on the bottom, and so this looks like 0 over 0, and so I'll put a little arrow pointing, that looks like 0 over 0, so that's a problem. I don't know what that is. But the game in all of these is really just to try to get a factor of delta x in the numerator. And pretty much when I see something like this, all I know how to do with this thing on top is to expand the x plus delta x squared, and so I'll do that. So that's x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared, and then plus x plus delta x, and then I'll distribute the negative and make that minus x squared minus x all over delta x. So that's the limit as delta x goes to 0 from the right. Now, so I have an x squared here and a minus x squared there, and I have an x there and a minus x there, so I get only terms now. So I have the 2x delta x term plus the delta x term, and then I'll put the plus delta x squared term last, and that's over delta x. But you see now each of the three terms in the top have delta x in them, so I can factor that out, and I have the limit as delta x goes to 0 from the right of delta x over delta x times the limit as delta x goes to 0 from the right of what was left in the numerator, which was 2x plus 1 plus a delta x, all divided by 1, because that's all that was left in the denominator when I factored out the delta x over delta x. So it's obvious that this one on the left here is 1, and then I can use direct substitution in this one on the right to get 2x plus 1, and so we end up with 2x plus 1. And so that is number 16.